Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to use TODOIST for event planning and task tracking. This is your complete 2025 guide to mastering this tool like a pro. First up, you'll need to create a new project. In TODOIST, a project typically represents a major task or event. Click on the plus sign next to projects and name it something relevant. This is important because it helps you categorize your tasks and stay organized. Now that we've done that, let's add some tasks. Click on the Add Task button and start listing out all the things you need to do. The reason we do this is to break down your event or project into manageable chunks. Plus, Todoist lets you set due dates and reminders for each task, which keeps you on track and prevents anything from slipping through the cracks. Next up is assigning tasks. If you're working with a team, you can assign tasks to specific members. Click on the Assign button next to each task and select a team member. This helps us because it ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and can work independently. Let me explain why this matters. Todoist has a feature called Comments. Here, you can add additional details or instructions about a task. You can also attach files or link to other tasks. This is crucial for communication and collaboration, especially when you're not all in the same place. Last but not least, you can track your progress using Todoist's Karma system. It gives you points for completing tasks and maintaining streaks. This isn't just for fun. It's a handy way to visually track your productivity and motivate yourself to keep going. Well, there you have it. That's your quick and easy guide to using Todoist for event planning and task tracking. With these simple steps, you'll be organizing and completing your tasks like a boss in no time. Thanks for tuning in.